And you also so good about putting people together. Like you create the lunches and luncheons, and you organize the training groups that everyone can brainstorm together, that ideas are just bounce off each other. So that is a wonderful way to build the relationship. And we are in a relationship business, to build a relationship not just between the agent and the client, but between the agent and the agent.
Right. And it's so important. And really, I don't take the credit for that because I really give the credit to everyone who shows up to those events, right? You were talking about the luncheons, and that's with the top producer luncheons that we've just had in the 3 counties. And that was really focused on appreciating our top producers and bringing them together and saying, what's an item of value that you're currently using in your business right now to grow in this normalizing market? And that's the key. Top producers and really producers for that instance, they are the ones who are growing because they know there's fundamental tools or strategies, whether it's just making calls, prospecting in whichever manner that is, to continue to grow. So we just want to show that support. But again, we can hold the event, but if no one shows up, no one shows up. So it's great. And I love it when our top producers show up. And then to your point, you were reflecting on kind of the coaching groups we have. So every Monday at our company, we have what's called the Steven sessions. And all that means is we have a weekly subject. And for an example, just this week, we held one on setting real goals. And we invite everybody in the company, managers, admin, associates, of course, at all different levels to say, it's me teaching it, but I'm really here to help develop you, again, both personally and professionally. So this is how you set goals. Here's how we look back at our year in 2022. Let's see how we've grown and who we've become in that journey and how we want to project that forward. But again, I'm just there to help develop. It's up to you to show up. So I love it when everyone's showing up. We've had hundreds of associates showing up to these, seminars. It's just been a great outcome. So we're really enjoying it.
So you are not taking credit for it, but you should, because you do have hundreds showing up, and then they go back and they review the recordings and they brainstorm if they couldn't make it for whatever reason. So you should take the credit for it.
Well, thank you.